Hi everyone, I'm Edge Boyaji from Atlassian. Welcome back to our series on how to build a developer experience platform using Compass. In this video, I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to populate your component catalog using GitHub. Let's do a quick recap on what we've covered so far in this video series. In the first video, we covered what a developer experience platform is and the features you can expect from a populated platform. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get started with your developer experience platform and how to populate your catalog using GitHub. Let's start with a simple process to sign up for Compass. If you Google Atlassian Compass and click on the first result, it'll bring you to this page. Then all you need to do is click on Get It Free Today, sign in, and if you have an existing site, it'll ask you if you want to add Compass to that site, or alternatively, if you don't have an existing site, you can create a new site and it'll start with Compass. Okay, so here we have a blank and new instance of Compass, and we want to get started by populating our component catalog. So we can go ahead and click on Create, and we can see that we're able to import components or to manually create them. Since this is a new instance and I want to quickly get my component catalog populated, I'm going to go ahead and click on Import Components. Now we're given a list of options for where we can import components from. I'm going to go ahead and click on Install next to GitHub. Now that it's installed, I'll click on Configure. And we're taken to the Apps page where I'll click on Configure again. Now we're taken to the GitHub page where we're asked if we want to connect GitHub. So I'll click on Connect GitHub. We're given a warning because we're going to an external page. We're going to github.com. We click on Continue on that. And we're asked where we want to install Atlassian Compass. My test organization is Magnetic Moment, so I'll click on Magnetic Moment. Now we're asked if we want to be able to authorize all repositories or only a select number of repositories. Since I want all the repositories in my GitHub org to connect to Compass, I'm going to leave all repositories selected, and I'll click on Install and Authorize. Okay, so Compass and GitHub are now connected, and we're ready to start importing some software components. Let's click on Select Repositories. A list of all the repositories available are presented to us. You're able to select specific components if you're not ready to import everything all in once. I'm actually ready to import everything all at once, so I'm going to scroll down and click on Load More. And I'll do this again until everything has been loaded. I'll come back to the top, I'll click on Select All, and I'll import them. Before I do that, I want to show you that you're able to actually select what type of component you want to import. So if you click on Service, you're able to see a whole range of different component types. For me, all of these components are services, so I'm going to import them as services. So I'll click on Select, and I'll click on Start Import. And now we can see we've had 28 components successfully imported. Now that the import's complete, let's check out the Components tab. Our previously blank instance of Compass has now 28 components that have been imported from GitHub. Let's check out one of those components to see what's come across. So we can see after importing, we have a name of a component, a description, some labels. We have a link to the code repository, and we have some activity that's also come in. If we hover over this green tick, we can see we have a successful deployment. We also have some scorecards that have been pre-populated. So let's check out component readiness. So we can see this is at 60% because we do not have an owner team applied yet. Let's check out DevOps health. By connecting our source code repository, we get some great metrics out of the box. So we've got here deployment frequency, we can see our pull request cycle time, and our build success rate. In addition to the scorecards, we can see that metrics have also started to populate. So we've got the deploys per week, build success rate, and build time, all with values. If we click into the activity tab, we'll see the same activity that appeared on the overview page is also available in the activity page. As we start to map out dependencies within Compass, activity from dependent systems will also appear in this page. So let's recap what we covered in this video. There are multiple ways to populate the component catalog within Compass. You can manually create components, you can import via a CSV, or you can import via an app. Importing components from the source code management tool is by far the fastest way to get your component catalog populated. It populates your component catalog within minutes. It adds a link back to the code repository and provides a data source for events, scorecards, and metrics. Thanks for watching.